Gold has done well, but silver, well, that has surged. Should you buy it now? I'm sure people thinking, yeah, I want to get in. I want to get in that silver trade. Silver is now up almost 200% the last year alone, as it has become immensely popular with retail investors. Many investors are excited to point out that silver has a strong use case as an industrial metal. It is a key component in electronics, including circuit boards, switches, and solar panels, thanks to the fact that it's an excellent conductor of electricity.
Yeah, thanks to increasing demand for areas such as EVs or electric vehicles, and also growing electricity needs, largely due to the AI push, industrial use cases now account for around 60% of demand. This does compare to under 50% just a decade ago. I was also surprised to learn that silver may be subject to supply shortages. About three-fourths or three-quarters of new silver is actually created as a byproduct of mining other metals like copper, zinc, and lead. So it's not even people mining directly for silver. This has led to silver demand outstripping supply every year since 2018.
And things will change. And while this all sounds positive, generally markets have a way of reconfiguring the supply and demand equation. I believe this could lead to companies that have silver as an input cost will instead look for other sources, alternative sources, as the price has become prohibitive at the recent surge has happened here. This would hurt demand for silver. So things change, and this is what people don't realize. You can't invest in something thinking that because it did this over the last 6 months, it will go that for the next 6 months. Things change because it's, especially when demand, people say, oh, well, silver is better than gold because there's a demand for it. Yeah, there is, but that demand will change as prices go up.
Again, 60% is coming from use cases, and people might point to that as a benefit and why we should be buying silver. But as a business, if you have a cost of a product or an input cost, I should say, go up 200%, that could all of a sudden wipe out your profits. Either one, you might have to stop producing a product because it's no longer profitable, or two, you're going to say, could I use a different conductor of electricity? And that's 60% of demand for silver all of a sudden gets reduced. That could be a big, big problem.